So again, like if you guys are starting out considering doing a product hunt launch, I'm sure like one of the first few things that you guys are going to consider is like when's the best day of the week to launch a product hunt. And again, most blogs and websites suggest launching on Tuesday or on a Wednesday. Reason for that is that on those 2 days, you're going to have the highest traffic metrics on the Product Hunt platform, but that's also going to mean that those days are going to be the most competitive days on Product Hunt. Meaning on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, you're going to be competing with Stripe, Slack, Asana, Notion, Shopify, and others. So that's why it's much harder getting into the top spots. So if you guys are like totally fine being in the top third spot, you don't really care for the ranking, you just want like as much traffic and signups as possible, then those days are great. If you guys place a higher emphasis on giving yourself the best chances getting into the top one spot on Product Hunt, just like Relics did, then we actually recommend launching on a Monday or a Friday, because on those days, the traffic metrics are still very decent, but you're not going to have the crazy competition that you're going to have in the middle of the week.